Excuse me, you want me to do extra work with no extra coin? You got me up.
Big butt, 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 too, big butt.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is like my third attempt at telling the story. Now I got the details straight, so I ain't gotta do all that over. Okay. Anyway, moving on. So stay with me. Santa's my supervisor. Rudolph's the girl that already worked with me. We're gonna call the guy Prancer. Prancer, I used that nickname in the story time before. Whatever. The Sunflower had him sit with me. I trained him. Our first little interaction, you know, while I'm training him, kind of teaching him my way, but like the real way, whatever. I'm teaching him. That's what's oh my god, I'm going into too much detail about the wrong. Prancer sat with me and trained with me. So I was teaching Prancer. Santa had this really sarcastic, dry sense of humor where she'd just be really funny with everybody. Like, just, you know, like to kind of get through the day and be cool. Like, you know, she just was humorsome. Like, you know, she made jokes. She made it a fun day, a easier, smoother day, whatever. After some time, she would have that kind of same relationship with me, but certain lines were never crossed. We would have certain conversations in relation to how you do your makeup and da 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 da. Like, it was cool. We were grown, 40 hours a week. We just trying to pass the time, you know, making conversation and shit like that. So back to Prancer, me training him. You know, it was cool. At one point, Rudolph gave me the guts to talk to Prancer, and I did my little. Me and Prancer started like talking, which led to us dating, and yeah, that's a whole another conversation. That's relevant for a reason though. So eventually, after some time, after we started working, whatever, somehow, some way, some magical being, you know, we were blessed with the same schedule. On this particular day of the week, it's a very slow day of the week, Sunday, whatever. Sunday's a very slow day of the week. We both worked or whatever on Sundays. I lived a lot closer to the job than Prancer did. He had a good route, like a good commute every single day. I probably, you know, specify how far I stay away from the job because I need y'all to. During the week, we couldn't wear certain things. We couldn't wear hats. We couldn't wear like sweats and all that good stuff. We couldn't wear slides. We couldn't dress how we wanted to dress, in essence. You know, we had a certain dress code to abide by. So on the weekends, we could dress pretty much however we want. Make it a little bit more lax. You know, oh, you guys already have to be here for the weekend. We're going to be cool about it and let you guys dress how you want to dress. So on the weekend, I was able to dress how I wanted to dress. During the week, we couldn't like wear headsets and stuff. Or headphones. This was back in the olden days, kids, before AirPods were a thing. So Beats were like all the rage, whatever. So I had Beats, and on this particular day, and this is important for a reason, on this particular morning, I had on makeup, full face makeup, full face of makeup. I had a hat on, I had my headphones on, a black shirt, a hoodie, and like pants, like sweatpants, but not like sweatpants. It was like little, you know, jogger kind of sweatpants and some slides or whatever. On this particular day, well, by this time I believe Prancer was my boyfriend. On my way to work, I think I just got to work or something. Prancer got into a, like, I guess it was raining this morning. Prancer got into like a car accident. I won't specify details about that only because it's none of y'all. No, but Prancer called me and let me know that he got into a car accident because it was raining. And I'm like so distraught, like, are you okay? Oh my god, like, the hell? To me, like, yeah, at this point, it was really fresh in the, like, situation. But I was falling in love. So, like, you know, I was like, oh my god, like, what the f? Like, I've never felt this way about somebody before. So it was just like, at the time, I was just like, so, like, worried and, like, in a bad mood, like, damn it, I don't want to have to be here. I'd rather just be able to leave and, like, be with you. I don't want to be at work right now. I'm like, oh my god, are you okay? Like, I'm FaceTiming him, like, before I clock in and stuff. And, like, he's okay, he's fine. It's just like, damn, like, he just got in the car accident. Like, what the f? So I'm, like, pissed about it. He was, like, all, you know, wet from the rain. I'm, like, you know, concerned and worried. I'm mad because I have to be at work. And, like, my boyfriend got in a whole car accident. Like, what the f? I mean, God, I'm just like, oh, the road revolves around me. I need this day to go the way I want it to go. Like, I'm just pissed. I'm thinking of a whole lot of different things. I'm just mad. So I end up, you know, staying at work, obviously stayed at work. So I pull up and who was there? or whatever. I think there was like a couple of other people, regular like people who would be at work on Sunday. So I'm like, you know, pulling up to sit down. I had on glasses too. I forgot to mention that. I had on these like little fake glasses because I wear contacts. Yeah, my contacts aren't just for aesthetics. It's because I need to see. Back then they were clear, but yeah, I had on glasses. Like I said, glasses, hat, sweatshirt, joggers, and slides. Like, you know, just regular. I don't want to be here, but I got to be here, so this is what I'm gonna wear because I'm here. Type of attire. So, long story short, as I'm sitting down to like work, no, I was sitting down to work. I was working, and I think probably a good hour or so, a good hour or two into my shift, and I'm just sitting there working, whatever. I'm like still kind of like blah about it. I have my headphones on. I was just chilling or whatever. So tell me why Santa comes up out of nowhere. Santa's like, you know, the Sunday supervisor, doesn't want to be mad about it too, whatever. Brief this by saying, keep in mind, Santa has a particular sense of humor that's like dry, sarcastic, funny. Like, she's always witty with us. Like, you know, it's just like, we all cool. We work together. We've known each other for a few months now. Like, you know, she likes me because I'm one of her best agents. And, you know, she's seen my growth and all that good stuff. Blah, 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 blah. So, Santa pulls up and says out of her face, looking like Arthur's mom with this old-ass, late-ass hair and this badass outfit, like giving very grandma dress. And like, I'm nothing against grandmas, nothing against people later in their life. Obviously, thank God that you're still here. Praise Jesus. But when you're in your late 20s and you dress the way she dressed, it ages you well. And it's just like, girl, don't you ever in your life come for me, period. She pulls up on me and she says out of her face,
"Oh my God, Felipé, is that you? You actually like a hetero today."
and I'm just like, I looked at her like, bitch, are you serious? Are you serious? What do you mean I look at hetero today? But it wasn't the fact that she said that, it was the way she said it. She said it like,
"Wow, you actually like a hetero today.
like you look like,
Wow, you're like a normal human being. Wow, like you actually look like a decent."
what do I like every other day to you, bitch? What do I look like every other day to you? I was so hot. I was so mad. I was like,
Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
I looked at her like, bitch, are you dumb? I was in a place where the way my mouth and my attitude was set up, it was just like, but at work, it's like I'll bite my tongue, talk my home like normal person, but
Felipé, don't even say nothing to her.
I was in a different place in life, girl. I didn't take that lightly. I didn't take it as a joke. And given the circumstances of my boyfriend having just gotten into a car accident, I wasn't already not in the best mood. Already didn't want to be here. Already mad that I had to be here. I was livid. I wanted to leave. I was so mad. I went on my break. I told my boyfriend. Yeah. After she said that, she just sat back down. Like after she saw my response wasn't like a laughing one. So I called my boyfriend, told him what happened. He's like, what the up, like whatever. Like, don't worry about that. Like she probably didn't mean like that. You know, she always joking, blah blah blah. But at the time, I was hot. I was mad. I didn't want to hear that. Oh no, I was like, ma'am, like what the she tried. I'm about to snitch on her ass. I'm going to HR tomorrow. I'm pissed off. So what I do, and I feel bad about this now. But I went to HR. Oh, I can't even say all that. No, I could say all that. That bitch, I don't work there. So I went to HR, told them my life story, told them about, because this wasn't the first time she made a joke that was like, okay, bitch, you tried it a little bit. So on this day in particular, it's like, you tried it. I was mad. Told HR the next day, went to HR, they ain't about it. Girl, hello, what it was. HR never does anything about anything, at least not in my experience. They don't do anything about anything ever. I think they sat her down and had a conversation with her like a couple days later. And then after that, she didn't address me. I didn't address her for like months upon months upon months. I mean, eventually we were cool, whatever. But like I said, it's nothing, it's like, I understand that when you're not used to seeing certain things, you feel like you have to speak on it. I mean, I personally don't understand that because I'm not that type of person, but I understand that everyone's behaviors are different depending on how they were brought up and things like that, and not like in a sadity kind of a way, but just in a way of, okay, I understand. Like, she may have thought that we were at a point in our relationship where I wouldn't take offense to that. But on that particular day, the way the stars were aligned, the way her mouth is set up, yeah, she used to joke with us, but sometimes it would like piss me off because I'm just like, bitch, do you see your hair? Don't come for me. Ever. I could understand if you were like the most fashionable bitch in the world, but it's just like, girl, you're not. Like, you dress like 1924 and you're coming for like, and I guess it was supposed to be a compliment, but it's like, why is that a compliment? Like, I just took it the wrong way. It didn't feel right. It didn't taste right. Pause. It just wasn't, it didn't sit well with my spirit. So I had to get that off my chest. I've been wanting to tell this story. This was one of the things I've been wanting to tell. But it just never, yeah. But after some time, we became cool again, you know, making the same little kikis or whatever. She knew not to cross certain lines with me though. But yeah, that's pretty much the story. If you guys want more story times from me, whether it be about my work experiences or old school stuff or just anything, I mean, I have my own little racist racial experience that I want to talk about so bad because it was so bad. Girl, I have a coworker out there who's waiting, well, an old coworker out there who's waiting to hear the story. Shout out to you, girl, if you're watching this. But, so if you like my story times, if you like these types of videos coming from me, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up so that I know to keep making this type of content, and share this video with anybody who may have dealt with anything similar. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
You know, cylinders in the roof, and I'm begging me to lose. My cylinders in the groove. I get home with the comb, no telling when I'm a shoe. I just bing, bang, bang. With bullets in my groove, your bullets in my unification. Where it's from, and I shine, shine, shine. Got diamonds in